Paypenny app in Germany. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to use Paypenny application in Germany. So let's get started. First, download the application. It is available on iOS and Android both. You can download from the App Store if you're an Apple user or Google Play Store if you're an Android user. After downloading, sign in and verify. Open the application and enter your registered phone number. You will receive a one-time password (OTP) for verification. Enter the OTP to confirm your identity and you will be able to sign in. Then set TPIN for security. Create a TPIN, also known as transaction PIN, for secure transactions. Then follow the app's instructions to set it up. Now complete KYC verification. For this, submit necessary documents in the application to complete the Know Your Customer KYC process. Verification usually completes within minutes. Then add money to your account. Go to the Add Money section in the application and enter the amount and select your preferred payment method. Submit to load funds into your account. Send money internationally. Enter the recipient's details and the transfer amount. Confirm the transaction. Paypenny offers competitive exchange rates and zero transfer fee. And that's all. That's how you will be able to use Paypenny application in Germany. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.